Tired of printing, signing, and scanning documents? Let's ditch the paper trail and learn how to send documents for signature using Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're in, click on the New button located on the left side of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Upload to choose the document you want to send for signature from your computer. Docusign supports various file types, including PDFs and Word documents. Locate your document and click Open. Docusign will begin uploading your file. Once the document is uploaded, you'll be prompted to add recipients. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. You can add multiple recipients if needed. After adding your recipients, click the Next button. This will take you to the drag-and-drop interface where you can add signature fields and other necessary fields to your document. On the left side, you'll find various field options like signature, date signed, initial, and text. Simply drag and drop the signature field and any other needed fields onto the appropriate places in your document for each recipient. Once you've placed all the necessary fields, review your document to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Send button in the top right corner to send the document for signature. And that's it. Your document has been successfully sent for signature. Docusign will automatically notify the recipient, and you'll be notified when they've signed. Now you know how to send documents for signature using Docusign. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.